Well, good morning or good afternoon to everyone out there. Hope you're having a great garden season already this year. My garden is going great. I'll do a tour in a different video here. But today I wanted to show you guys my irrigation system I got for the greenhouse here. I was hand watering for the first few weeks here, but I had a kit and I just didn't get a chance to set it up. So I set up last week. I didn't do a video of actually setting it up. I just had a helper that day and just need to get it done. But I'll walk it through you real quick here and show you what I have. I got a kit from Dubois, so I'll post the video just above me talking here for a second so you can see the kit. And it's pretty straightforward. The instructions are super simple to follow, super easy to set up, and anybody can do it. But I'll show you some of this stuff right here quickly. So here is the first part of the system where it goes into your tubing. So you have a filter here, you have your PSI bar, pressure regulator, and your pressure gauge there, so that it just regulates your pressure going into your tubing so you don't blow anything out. And all you do is hook up your garden hose to this, and it's really easy to put together. This comes already together. You just have to screw all these parts together, and literally it takes you 5 minutes to do that, which is pretty awesome. And this has a filter, so if anything ever stops flowing at all, you just open this dial here and just blow water through there for 10-20 seconds just to wash out the filter. And I think you can actually take this apart too if you need to clean it out. Yeah, so super easy. So it comes with the main pipeline here, which I have fed through the side here. So I'll take you inside here and just show you what it looks like coming through. Okay, so here's the other side of it coming through. It's pretty straightforward. So I have it run down the main line right down the back of my greenhouse here. And then on each row here, so on each row of these, I have 2 lines set up. This bit I gotta cut all the salad over lettuce out, but I'm gonna have 2 rows of peppers, 2 rows of tomatoes, which I'll show you later. So basically it comes with a shut-off valve here, and it comes with a cool little yellow tool with a sharp little point. All you do is poke a hole into here, right there, and you pop your shut-off valve in, and then your tubing here, your water line here, which is the drip line here, you just have this unscrewed to the very back. You push this over and you screw it on. I won't actually show you that because some of them are still leaking a bit. I think I've got them on far enough, but some drip a little bit, which is okay. Doesn't really matter a whole lot. And then all I do is you set up your line here all the way down. That's kind of hidden by the saline over there. I'll show you the other side here. So same thing on the end. You have just an end cap and you lock it into place, and that's it. Super simple. When you first set it up, you need to keep the end caps off, turn the water on, just flush the system out quickly, just in case you get some debris in there and dirt and whatnot. So you just want that flushed out so it's not blocking up any of the drip holes coming out of there. And since I've been using this system the past week and a half, 2 weeks, I think my plants are way more happier than just hand watering, because you're actually getting, with the drip irrigation, like probably most of you guys know, you're getting water exactly where you need it and not just everywhere. It actually soaks into the ground. I did this yesterday. You can still see it's moist here. If I put my finger down here, the dirt's nice and moist and wet there. And these plants have been in maybe not even a week, and look at them already. They're looking super healthy. And when I come over here, this is the earliest I've ever had tomatoes forming on any of my plants. But if we come over here, check it out, we've got flowers already on these guys here. So these have been in here for maybe 2.5 weeks, and just look at the growth on them already. And I'm super happy. I have a professional type greenhouse. And same with this one over here. Lots of tomatoes forming here. So the middle ones here, I've just been watering them by hand, but that's all right. And I'll show you the cucumber line here. I was going to transplant cucumbers in this one, but I want to get this. I tried some seeds anyways this year. Should have transplanted them. They're coming along slowly. I only put them in about a week ago, but these guys were transplants, and I need to trellis some more of them up. But that's the drip irrigation system, guys. Super easy. For my context here, like I said, I'm doing 2 rows of everything in here. So 2 rows of cucumbers, 2 tomatoes in each 2 rows of peppers there. So I'm only using 2 drip lines. Now say if you're going to do carrots or something else, you know that if you got like cabbages, you're doing 3 rows of cabbages, you'd have 3 drip lines in there to get right to the spot. But for my context here, I am only using 2 lines, and that should be fine because that's all I really intend on growing in here is tomatoes and peppers. And maybe early spring I'll do some quick selling over like I did over there, some spinach, and those things come up fairly quickly. So you don't need a whole bunch of drip lines for those. But anyways, there you go. Quick little walk through my drip line irrigation. And I didn't show you the end line here, but this is the end. The main line, same thing, it's just got a end cap on it. And I've just put some bars in at the end here. So these ones, I bought these as well. Just to hold things into place when you're setting it up and on the end so they don't flop around. And I put a few as well on the main line. But honestly, you don't really need that. The pressure's not great enough that the pipes are going to be flopping around everywhere because you have the pressure regulator. So it works great for regulating what's coming through. And I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to do my best to answer them as it's fairly new to me. But honestly, it's super straightforward, super simple, and anybody can set this up. And literally this whole greenhouse, this 20 by 30 greenhouse probably took less than an hour to set up this irrigation system. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick video on the new irrigation in the greenhouse. Thanks for watching, everyone. Share the videos around, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.